All right, guys, we got you guys a 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 6.2 liter Hoss. Beast. Really beautiful truck. Got nice wheels, got a little lift kit on it. What we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then he had a third cat on it, and we cut it off and put a high flow cat for him because he wanted it to sound better. And that third cat takes a lot of the sound away. So when you put a high flow on it, it makes a huge difference. So we put it on there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. Then we did straight pipe duals a while back, about a month ago. As you guys can see out the back, with a Y pipe, there and there, into 4-inch black tips. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better, right? And people say they don't make a difference. They make a difference. Your sound decibels. Again. 109. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds phenomenal. Like it. Let's guys hear on the inside. Z71. So guys, I want to know in the comments, do you guys like the new body style or this body style? Let me know. Which one do you guys like more? The new body style, the 2022, or the 2018 body style? Honestly, I like this body style. It's different. It still looks like a Chevy. The new ones, I don't know. So let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to hear you guys' opinion on it.